Okay, this is In the Arms of the Angels. Hope you like it.
Spend all your time waiting for the second chance, for a break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories sing through my veins. They may be empty, oh, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the ends that you feel. You will pull from the wreckage of your